Let's explore a 4 BHK villa with separate servant quarter for rent, measuring 2,400 square feet located in the heart of Bangalore North. Just 10 to 15 minutes away from Manyata Tech Park and 30 minutes away from Bangalore International Airport. Assetz Soul and Soil, located at Hennur Road, offers a perfect blend of comfort and style. Spread over 7 acres with all the amenities, this housing society is designed to cater your every need. Hennur Road is just not a location, it's a lifestyle with seamless connectivity to State Highway 104 and proximity to essential landmarks like major hospitals, school, office, restaurant and entertainment areas. 4 BHK villa measuring 2,600 square feet with separate servant quarter available for rent in Hennur Road. Total we have 4 units available for rent in this gated community. 2 are corner units just similar to this one and 2 are adjacent to it. While we enter we have a 2 covered car parking, one is over here and one is in the common area. This is a big size main door which is north facing. While we enter we have a large size living room with TV cabinet and a staircase which give you access to the rest of your house that will be explored in this video. You got a separate dining area with wooden flooring and a crockery unit where you can store your cutleries or just use it as to display your items, and a beautifully designed open modular kitchen equipped with all the modern fixtures. Have a dedicated space for your refrigerator, chimney. It will be provided once someone finalized the unit. You got wooden flooring with granite countertop. We got this big size backyard connected to your dining area which you can customize it as per your requirement. You can host your parties over here or plan your children's playing area, garden for your parents. These are 2 balconies which are facing towards your backyard and it got an open view. We have a dedicated place to store your cylinders to ensure the safety of your loved ones. You got the ample amount of sunlight throughout the day due to the ventilation open space provided in the living area and backyard. We have a dedicated space where you can plant some trees to maintain the greenery in house. This one is the first bedroom on the ground floor. We have a big size window which is facing inside the society. You got very nice view and we have a sitting arrangement also can be done over here. We have a fully functional wardrobe with lofts. A lot of storage have been provided in the house. While we move forward on the right hand side, on ground floor we have this first washroom which have a dedicated shower area with all the modern fixtures. Geyser have been provided. While we move to the first floor, we have our second living room along with the 2 bedrooms. So far, if you are enjoying the video, press that like button and subscribe to our channel. You can check the staircase railing had been provided with a crystal clear glass that provides the sunlight. We have our second living room with the TV cabinet. This is the second bedroom on the first floor. It got a wooden flooring. The size of this bedroom is very well. You can easily accommodate your king size bed. Again we have a walk-in wardrobe. This is a 6-door walk-in wardrobe with lofts and a mirror have been provided along with attached washroom. This is a very big size attached washroom. Wash basin have been provided along with exhaust fan, geyser and a dedicated shower area. While we have a attached balcony which is having open view for the lifetime. It is very big in size and facing towards your backyard. Is the unit which is also available for rent. Check the size of this balcony where you can easily accommodate 2 chairs along with the table and enjoy your coffee in the evening. While we move forward, this is the second living room which I was talking about. We have open space here to provide the sunlight throughout the day. And this property is going for the rent first time, so Be the first one to grab this opportunity. Owner have also not stayed. This is the third bedroom and one of the premium bedroom in this unit. It also got a wooden flooring and a different textures color combination with an attached balcony. The size of this balcony will remain same as other balcony and which is facing inside the society. The view which you got from here is really nice. You can enjoy your morning coffees over here. This balcony you can easily accommodate your chairs as I mentioned before as well. You have a TV cabinet which is wall to wall. Again a walk-in wardrobe with wooden flooring in wardrobe, a 6-size walk-in wardrobe with loft and a dedicated dressing table with a lot of storage where you can easily accommodate your daily uses. And we have a attached washroom as well. You can check the size of this washroom. It is similar to the previous one and we have similar in the second floor. Check the size of this bedroom. You can easily accommodate your king size bed along with 2 side tables. In the second floor we have our third bedroom along with a terrace and a servant quarter. You can utilize this space as well. You can decorate this as per your requirement. This is the last bedroom on the second floor. It also got a wooden flooring along with an attached balcony. We have our this third balcony which is similar in size and opens towards your backyard. It got very nice green view. You can check this is a open view, so if you don't prefer that inside view you can use this bedroom as well. And again here we got our walk-in wardrobe. This is also 6-door walk-in wardrobe with mirror and an attached washroom. It is same in size with all the fixtures like wash basin, geyser. In this society we have all the amenities like gym, swimming pool, 24-hour security, separate children playing area and a lot of, you name it you will get it. In this place you can plan your wash basin if required. This is the place where magic happens. These are the open space which provide sunlight throughout the day as I mentioned and helps the flat to get open ventilation. We have this terrace over here, open terrace, which you can customize as per your requirement. On the left hand side we have our servant quarter and this is very decent in size. We have a bed available over here, so you just need to place one mattress over here and it is ready to use. We have an attached washroom. It got one wash basin as dedicated shower area and all the fixtures. Even geyser have been provided. This is the view you will be getting from your terrace and this is the corner unit. You can make a terrace garden over here or you can just plan your candlelight dinners over here or stargazing. This is some leisure space which you can utilize it as per your requirement. For more details you can contact 911 320 3639 for more details or site visits. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.